Business signs have come a long way since the days of King Richard II, when he had to force pubs to erect signage. Yet, many are still missing the incredible opportunities that custom signs offer. From driving customer loyalty to increasing brand awareness, custom signage helps your business stand out and ultimately increases sales. Let me introduce you to some simple ideas that will grab the attention of potential customers and communicate your values quickly and efficiently. Hey, I'm Josh, design lead for social content and community here at Canva. When we think about signage, we normally think about the external type, but internal signage can be just as important. Both can make a huge impression on how people see and remember your business, although internal signs can affect people in much more subtle ways, helping to direct and encourage behaviours that will make purchasing a much nicer experience for customers and staff. Intrigued? Well, before we dive deeper, let me direct and encourage you to subscribe to Canva's YouTube channel. On our Tips from the Team playlist, we've got more how-to tutorials like this one, taught by people working at Canva, like me. It's really the best way to level up your skills quickly. Now, back to signs. There are so many different types of signs and where you can use them. Where should I start? Let's say you're a market cafe stall owner and you want to use signs to streamline customers and improve their experience. And let's be honest, make things a little easier for you too. It's a simple directional sign, but that doesn't mean it needs to be boring. Type in yard sign here. You can start from scratch or use one of the existing templates. There are loads of different ones. I'm going to go with the blank option. Let's choose a colour for the background. Yeah, green is good. It fits with the aim of this sign, to show customers where to pick up their coffee order. Green light equals go. I'll add the text pick up here. And an arrow so it's clear. We can adjust the font here, something fun and casual, but large and bold to ensure readability and visibility from greater distances. I'm going to add a new page to this design and create a second sign that says order here along with the arrow. Simple behaviour encouraging signs that help your customers understand where they need to go can reduce confusion and crowds. Effective, but these are still a bit boring. In Canva, there is no reason to settle for boring. Let's add some interest and personality. In the Elements tab, search for Cafe Doodle. I'm looking for something quirky and fun with a hand-drawn feel. Oh, this one has the right feel. Click here to see more like it. Oh wow, there are some awesome ones here. You know what I'm going to do? I'll create another page and then dump all the elements I love there. I'll add a side panel here on the signs and copy and paste my favorite drawings in. Now, this is starting to feel right. You can also upload your logo to stay on brand. And maybe one more illustration here. How easy was that? I've subtly directed people, but I've done it in a way that fits with the uniqueness of the shop. Okay, what's next? How about signage that can work for your business even when you're not? It's really simple to create a branded sign for the front of your shop, restaurant, or cafe that has your opening hours on it. This time we'll start with a template. Bring in the brand font. The colors, logo, brand elements, and then make it clear when you're actually open. I'm also going to add a phone and website address, which is super handy for customers who can't make opening hours. Add a QR code to make it even easier. Now, I'll just duplicate this and create the closed version. This is looking great. See, signs like this can improve the professional appearance of your business, get you more customers and sales, and be an extension of your branding. Have you got a question or a comment on anything you've seen so far? Drop them below. And that's a fab question, Pam. Let me show you how to get your signs printed without leaving the sofa. Now, we've been using yard sign dimensions. If your region prints that, all you need to do is go here and hit this button. This comes with a metal H stand. Obviously, you don't need to use that for this open sign, but it would be good for the market stall. The sign itself is printed on really durable recyclable plastic, so it's going to last a long time. I love this preview. It shows you how big it will be. Now, if that's too big for you, or you want something less durable, you just have to go here, down to the little delivery truck. There are loads of options in the print menu. You could even make stickers if you wanted to stick signage to a window. We'll choose double-sided posters. This will ask you to resize your design, and then you're ready to print. In just over a week, they'll be turning up at your door, professionally printed and ready to display. You know, while we were in that print menu, I saw another sign option worth mentioning, vinyl banner signs. Whether you're building up an event, encouraging people to come in and browse, or promoting a seasonal sale, banners are a great way to shout your message from the rooftops, without having to literally stand on a roof with a megaphone. Let me show you how to make them quickly. Let's start with this template. Now, the hierarchy of text is really important here. You need a large headline, ensuring optimal readability and visibility from a distance. I've kept it pretty generic so it can be used every year. Bright, contrasting colours and an image will attract attention too. Then, for when the potential customer gets closer, you might have a call to action a bit smaller. A website. Oh, can't forget the logo. Now, I'll go to the print menu again. Choose the size of my banner. This will depend on your store. Hit continue. Now, I'll have an external banner that will tell everyone what's happening in store. All that's left to do is put the kettle on, pop your feet up, and enjoy a nice cuppa while you wait for Canva to deliver your signs straight to your door. I told you this whole sign thing is simple. Got a question about anything you saw in today's tutorial? Drop it in the comments below and we'll reply to you as soon as we can. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, take a look at the full playlist and look out for new videos posted every week. And if I could ask a small favor, could you please like and subscribe to our channel? It really helps other people find these videos. Thanks so much, and see you next time.